Looking for a quick, sugar-free berry sauce that tastes amazing on everything? This keto-friendly mixed berry sauce is ready in just 10 minutes and perfect for cheesecakes, pancakes, ice cream, or even yogurt. In a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of mixed berries, 1/3 cup of keto sweetener, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Bring it to a boil and use the back of the spoon to mash the berries. And simmer it for about 10 minutes or a little longer if you want the sauce to be a little thicker. And that's it, keto mixed berry sauce. I hope you'll enjoy.